In this video, I'll show you how to fix a common issue where the header menu does not appear after installing a new template. This happens because your site does not have a navigation menu assigned to the header area. To fix this, we'll manually recreate the menu using the original template preview. Before adding any items to your new menu, open the original template preview in a new tab. This step is very important because we'll copy the exact page links from the template so the menu text and links match perfectly. Now, look at the header menu area in the template preview. For this specific Kajabi template, you'll notice there are two menus, one on the left side of the logo and another on the right side of the logo. We're going to recreate both of these menus. To create a new menu, go back to your Kajabi dashboard. Under the website, navigate to the navigation menu section, click on it, and on the next screen, you'll see any existing menus listed. In Kajabi, we have default menus and custom menus. To create a custom menu, click on New Navigation Menu. Give it a name, for example, Left Header. Now click Save Menu. Now understand custom menus. Scroll and find the menu you just created. There click Add and then select Add Link. Start by adding Home. For the home page, use a /. Next, add About. Copy the name of the page from the URL of the About page from the original template preview and paste it here. You see, we are carefully copying the name of the page, not the entire URL. Then add services. Again, copy the name of the page from the URL of the About page from the original template preview. And paste it here. Next, add another menu item for podcast, using the same method by copying the correct page name from the template preview service page link. Now that the left menu is complete, create another new menu for the right side of the header. This process is the same as before. Add the menu items exactly as shown in the template preview. For example, add shop and any other items listed there. Copying each page name, form the preview link carefully. Once both menus are created, the next step is to connect them to your header. Go to Website, then Design, and find the template you installed. Click the Customize icon. Now, click on Header section. In the Header section, scroll down until you see the menu settings. You'll notice there are two menu items. The first one controls the left menu, and the second one controls the right menu. Click on the first menu. In the drop-down, search for the menu name you created earlier, for example, left header, and select it. You'll immediately see the menu items appear. Next, go to the second menu selector and choose the menu you created for the right side of the header. After saving your changes, refresh the page. You'll now see that both header menus are displaying correctly and functioning as expected. And that's it. Your header menu has been successfully fixed and now matches the original template demo.